Creating social media strategy. A well-defined social media strategy serves as the roadmap for your brand's online presence. It aligns your goals with the platforms and content that resonate most with your audience. Let's delve into the key steps to create a robust social media strategy. 1. Define goals and objectives. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve through social media, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, community building, or sales. Your goals guide your strategy. 2. Identify your target audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. Tailor your content to resonate with this audience. 3. Choose the right platforms. Select social media platforms that align with your goals and where your target audience is most active. Different platforms cater to different demographics and content types. 4. Develop a content strategy. Create a content calendar outlining the type of content you'll share. This includes a mix of promotional, educational, entertaining, and user-generated content. 5. Diversify your content with images, videos, infographics, and other multimedia elements. Visual content tends to grab more attention on social media. 6. Craft compelling captions. Write engaging captions that complement your visuals. Use a consistent tone that reflects your brand personality. 7. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent posting schedule. Regular, timely updates keep your audience engaged and aware of your brand. 8. Leverage hashtags and trends. Research and use relevant hashtags to expand the reach of your content. Stay aware of trending topics to participate in relevant conversations. 9. Encourage engagement. Foster two-way communication. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and user-generated content. Encourage discussions and feedback. 10. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess your social media analytics. Track key performance indicators (KPIs) and adjust your strategy based on what resonates most with your audience. 11. Paid advertising strategy. If applicable, integrate paid advertising into your strategy. Define your budget, target audience, and messaging for ads. 12. Stay informed. Keep up with social media trends, algorithm changes, and industry updates. Adapt your strategy accordingly. Subscribe the channel